Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So hope you all got in on the trade yesterday which I gave you, and I'll give you the exact levels later in the video. But that trade is still active. We did gap up this morning, so you're probably going to find a bit of a pullback, but we'll get to that now. Bottom line is we are still inside our channel. It's a little bit of a messy channel at the moment, so it's kind of widening. But we are still inside that channel. There's no reason to panic at the moment. If I look at my 3-hour oscillators, you can see one has crossed over, the other one is starting to cross over. When I see that kind of crossover quite far apart, I'm fairly confident we're going back to the top of the channel. So we'll get the measured moves now, work them out for you off the hour. Right. So just looking at price action here. So you see we had this gap down on Friday. Gap down, pull back. So that's one move down, one move up. I'm always looking for a second move. There was my second move. I'm looking for the structure. This area of structure that we were looking at last night, or yesterday morning in actual fact, I say to you this is the area actually down there that we need to pay attention to. We kind of found support a bit here, but then we broke through. The minute we broke through here, you had to look to the left, look for your next inside bar, which was all the way down here. Okay, on the Telegram channel I gave you one 41.50 as the entry. Didn't quite get there, but I reevaluated that very quickly. 41.53, which was a previous high, and that was my entry. So still in that. What we're waiting for now is a couple of things. So firstly, see if this triangle here breaks. This level that we're bouncing off at the moment is obviously fairly important. 41.72, probably 41.73 if you round it off, and that's what we need to pay attention to at the moment, because it is the underside of a previous breakout. So yeah, probably we'll see how the next couple of bars go, but I have a feeling it's probably going to be a take profit area. But at the moment, looking at the 15, you can see we sort of regained our moving averages at the moment, and still making hard work of it, but there is an opportunity. I'm still expecting a bit of a squirt down to come and close the gap. Okay, so levels to watch. We're looking for this level that we're at right now, 41.72 or 41.73. I need a break and retest of that, and that's an opportunity to add to the position to get in long. And alternatively, I'm looking for support at the gap here, 41.68. So those are the two areas that I'm looking for. Measured move at the moment is pretty much, let's just use a Fibonacci for this. So this is our pullback. We're testing 50% at the moment, so we get through that. We're obviously going to test the next bit of structure, but obviously first level is going to be up here, and that is, he doesn't want to give it to me, so we'll just take it off the bar. That is 41.92 is our first area. That's the previous all-time high. And then what we're looking for is some extensions, and the first extension is going to be there, which probably is going to be the opportunity, because that'll be top of range. So I'll be looking at 4217, and then obviously one in between that of 4200. There we go. Okay, so 4200, and then the next area is 4217, and if we break above that high, the ultimate should be somewhere in this area here, which is 4232. Okay, so looking for longs either right where we are now on the break, or a little bit of a pullback to close the gap, but this trend line is breaking. I suspect another move to the upside. Okay, and obviously top of channel is my first target. So 4200, between 4200 and 4218 is the area I suspect we should be taking profit in on this trade. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up to you later. Cheers for now.